Welcome to Life in the UK, test lesson number 5. How old do you need to be able to play the national lottery? Where is the 5-day race meeting attended by members of the royal family and known as Royal Ascot celebrated? Who was the first person to lead a Roman invasion in Britain in 55 BC? Who wrote The Lord of the Rings? Cases in England, Wales, and Northern Ireland? What name is given to the tombs where people buried their dead during the Bronze Age? The Northern Ireland Assembly cannot make decisions on according to the 2011 census. What percentage of the population identified themselves as Buddhist? In which category did Jane Torval and Christopher Dean win gold medals at the Olympic Games in 1984? What is the first verse of the national anthem of the UK, God Save the King? Which of the following is not a British invention of the 20th century? Which British Prime Minister was famous for the speech, I have nothing to offer but blood, toil, tears, and sweat? Which of the following countries did not belong to the Allies during World War I? Which two of the following charities work with homeless people? Which flower is associated with Scotland? What is the money from TV licenses used for? Members of the Welsh government are elected every 4 years on the basis of what is the Commonwealth? Which famous architect designed St. Paul's Cathedral after it was destroyed by a fire in 1666? Which of the following is a fundamental principle of life in the UK? Which of the following countries belongs to the Commonwealth? Who has to pay national insurance contributions in the UK? A good way to support your local community is to shop for products locally. Where is the centerpiece to the Remembrance Day service known as Cenotaph located?